to Mel's Kitchen, and today we will gonna be making avocado ice cream with only 3 ingredients. First, we need 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of condensed milk, and we need 2 avocados. Okay, we have 2. First, we will be cutting the avocado and then put it in a cup. We already prepared 2 avocados, and I already scoop them and put it in a cup. Okay. So here it is, our scooped avocado. I put it in our cup. Okay, and then we'll just put all together inside the blender. Okay. We just want to make sure that we have all the ingredients inside. Okay, our condensed milk. The condensed milk is really thick, so I just want to make sure that everything is in the blender. Okay, and our heavy cream. There you go. And we will cover it, and we're gonna blend it into whip. Now that our mixture is done, okay, we will just transfer our mixture into the container. Okay, and I will get a spatula because I want to make sure that I got all those goodness and pour it inside the container. Okay. We can put this mixture on the freezer and freeze it so we can have an ice cream consistency. But since we wanna, make our ice cream real fast and taste it right away, we will gonna be using our Cuisinart ice cream maker. So what this does is it just spins your ice cream, and then after 20 minutes the consistency would be right. As in, it will be already frozen and ready to eat. Okay, so we will just put this here, make sure it's good and stable. And we will put this mixer inside. All right. And we will just cover it. Okay, and just make sure that it's locked because there's a lock here on the side. Okay, and turn it on and let it spin for 20 minutes. We'll take a look at the inside. There you go. There's our avocado ice cream. And just spin it for 20 minutes. See you later, guys. Hi guys, so it's 20 minutes already. Our ice cream did not freeze hard enough using the Cuisinart, so I transferred it to this container and I'll just put it in the freezer so I can get that right consistency that I want. Hello guys, welcome back. So now that we had frozen our avocado ice cream in the freezer for 2 hours, we're gonna take a look at it and taste it. Okay, here it is. So here is now our delicious avocado ice cream. Let's taste it. It's sweet and creamy and tastes really delicious. Hope you like this video. Please click the subscribe button and comment below for any recipe that you would like us to feature in this channel. Once again, thank you for subscribing and be safe. Bye.